So it's been more than 6 months since Apple Watch Ultra is out in the market. Today let's see how this smartwatch has held up and is it really worth buying in 2023? Okay, first talking about the design. This is probably the first Apple Watch I really like in terms of design. At first, I thought the watch would be heavy considering it has a 49mm case, but that's not true. Due to titanium, this watch is lightweight and doesn't look bad on my small wrist. The crown is now bigger and we have a dedicated action key that I use most of the time for starting workouts. Auto workout detection is good, but I don't rely on that when I'm out for a walk. Plus you can assign multiple shortcuts to this action button, and even long pressing it turns on siren, which can be used for SOS. Anyways, I have used this smartwatch without any screen protector or any case, and you can see that there is not even a single scratch on display. So that sapphire crystal is really doing well this year. Also, body of the smartwatch has no scratches or dents. Although once I smashed this side into a metallic rod, but so far it's looking good. For ruggedness, I'll definitely give this watch a thumbs up. Initially I got this watch with an orange alpine loop strap, but the size wasn't correct. So this metallic part often hits the display when I'm trying to remove the strap, and it can damage your table or laptop surface if it's facing exactly down. It should be somewhere here. So make sure you buy correct size for your Apple Watch. Right now I'm using off-market trail loop that costed me around $3. Plus I have a titanium strap that's not exactly titanium, but it has this titanium finish. It looks amazing with my Apple Watch Ultra. If you want to buy these straps, link for them will be down in description. About my day-to-day usage, this smartwatch is giving me about 2 days of battery life without always on display mode, and that's the best you can get right now on any Apple Watch out there. Battery health is still surprisingly at 100%. Thanks to fast charging, this smartwatch can charge from around 10% to 70 or 80 in just 30 minutes. So I usually place my watch on the charger while taking a shower. Talking about Apple Watch OS, it's good, but not the best. Watch OS needs lots of improvements, like there is no dedicated toggle for AOD mode in the control center, and same goes for the low power mode. So in order to enable always on display mode, you have to go all the way into settings, then display, always on, and now you can turn on always on display. Apple should really add some new toggles in the control center for quick access. Right now the options are quite limited. Apple Watch faces are great, but the options are less. It's about time Apple should allow developers to make third-party watch faces that are available on the App Store. And I'm not talking about Facer. Also, if I swipe across screen, it's changing my watch face, while I can already do the same thing just by long pressing on each face and then using crown to change watch face. I think Apple should add some sort of tiles or widgets when user swipes across screen, something similar to Wear OS on Galaxy Watch. Anyways, Watch OS 9 is smooth and there are no hiccups or random crashes as we have seen with iOS 16. But it was better if Apple used a faster S8 processor, because as of now this is the same processor that was used in Watch Series 6, Series 7 and Series 8. A new processor would have made this smartwatch more future-proof. Right now you can buy this watch for about $20 off. Deals and prices vary from region to region. At the end, Apple Watch Ultra might be an overkill for most of us, but when I bought this watch for the first time after using Apple Watch Series 8, I loved the bigger screen, the bigger battery and overall looks. Plus the ruggedness of the smartwatch is definitely a plus. The screen is brand new without using any protector. After 6 months, Apple Watch Ultra can be definitely considered if you have an iPhone and a budget for this smartwatch. The next major Apple Watch Ultra with mini LED display will be available around 2025. So that's pretty far. Until then, this Apple Watch Ultra definitely lives up to that hype. And that was all about for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.